13 years, 8 months, 12 days. Sinayang mo para lang sa taong masarap lang sa umpisa. Do you think hindi ko malalaman na yung paalam mong training for promotion ay bonding time ninyong dalawa? Sa tingin mo ba, di kita mabibisto na ang Sir Rafi sa cellphone mo na tumatawag sa gabi ay siya at hindi yung boss mo? I've known it for a long time now. Binigyan lang kita ng chance para umamin. Para sana may rason akong magpatawad. Para masabi ko sa sarili ko na at least naging honest ka. But you continued to lie. You continued to pretend. You continued to cheat. I have no words left. No tears left. I'm leaving you as I invited her sa condo. Now live a happy life as I gave her the key. No more talks. I'm done. I am Bianca. And I'm leaving the person that I love, for having someone else. My love, minsan talaga there are just no words to explain how you feel. Lalong-lalo na kapag niloko ka ng taong mahal mo. Kapag nagmukha kang tanga. Parang sa hindi mo ma-explain na pagkakataon, hindi mo mahanap yung salita. Hindi mo alam kung paano mo i-express yung galit mo sa kanya. That all you feel like doing is just leaving that person behind. Hoping that as you leave him behind, may iwan din yung sakit. But it doesn't. Kasi sa mga ganyang pagkakataon, my love, kapag nangyari yan right in front of you, meron ka lang split second para mag-isip ng what to do next. But for a person like Bianca, who's been dealing with cheating for a long time now, and keeping it to herself, kasi umaasa siya na one day marirealize nung taong yon on his own na nagkamali siya, na nakagawa siya ng hindi maganda, na mag-a-apologize siya eventually and magiging honest siya for the mistake that he did. For someone like Bianca, itong scenario na to has been going on sa utak niya over and over again. Parang pinipicture out niya how it will happen sa utak niya for a number of times already. Until this moment. Siguro na-realize niya na I've been in pain for so long. Kasi sabi niya, 'di ba, I have no tears left. I've been in pain for so long. So, I won't give you the satisfaction of seeing me in pain. Seeing me cry. Seeing me asking you bakit. Bakit mo nagawa sa akin to? Ba't mo ako nasaktan? Ba't mo nagawang maghanap ng iba? Siguro para sa kanya, ayaw niya nang makita yung satisfaction sa mukha ng lalaki kapag nalaman niyang nakasakit siya. So, as to not spoil the element of surprise para kay boy, in-invite niya na lang yung girl over. And then, nagbigay na lang siya ng I wish you nothing but a happy life. Siguro sa moment na yun, yung lalaki yung walang nasabi. Sana nga vinideohan ninyo para nag-viral. Diba? Kasi ang eksena sa mga viral video ngayon, kumprontahan, confrontational, diba? Eksena talaga sa hallway. Pero kung yung ganun yung eksena ng inyo, grabe, parang movie. Confrontation but with the class. Diba? Napaka-classy. But I'm so proud of you, Bianca. I'm so proud of you, not for keeping it all, diba, Boy Pindot, pang teleserye, to keeping, for having the strength to keep it all in. I am proud of you that you had the time And you used that time para i-condition yung sarili mo to act classy even sa moment that doesn't require class. Kasi sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, malamang sa alamang kung sa ibang tao to, or I don't know kung meron akong heart or bravery to do something like that, pero baka kaliwat ka ng mura na yung nangyayari at naririnig mo di ba? Parang kese hoda mag-video dyan yung mga kapitbahay. I'm gonna do this because I hate you. Kailangan malaman nila kung gaano ka kapangit. Kung gaano kasukal yung ugali mo. Pero with the person na may control, may grace, may class, to walk out like that, with that type of a surprise, my love, I am proud of you. Diba? For being the standard of how you confront a person from cheating. O diba? Ikaw yung standard ng class. Kapag naghahanap sila ng peg kung paano huhuliin yung mga jowa nila with their someone. Pero my love, I am sorry but that you have to experience something like that. I know, even if you are in pain, even though you hate this person, you respect him not to cause any commotion or issue or scene, eksena that can hurt yung reputation ninyong dalawa. That type of control, respect, and decency ay hindi madalang na nowadays. Kaya, 'di ba, na-imagine ko sa kanya si Jody Santa Maria, 'di ba? Yung tipong in-invite mo yung kakimehan ng jowa mo for the longest time dun sa kondo kung saan kayo nakatira, tapos binigay mo sa kanya yung key, tapos sabihin mo lang mag-enjoy kayong dalawa. End scene. Diba? With class talaga, with class. I don't know, Bianca, this is not a happy moment, but grabe yung grace na meron ka, grabe yung class. I'm out of words kasi I do applaud how educated you seem to be, how smart, brilliant, and graceful you are as a woman to endure something like that and to walk out dyan sa situation na yan na ganyan ka-classy. Sabi ni Boy Pindot, bata mo kami, Bianca. Yes, indeed. Bata mo kami, indeed. But we hail you not just because you put up a scene na parang sa teleserye lang namin napapanood or mapapanood. You put up a great exit, a graceful exit but to yourself. But we are, sabihin na natin, na-idolize ka namin sa sitwasyon na ganito kasi not everybody ay merong ganyang strength. Strength, discipline, and control to achieve something like that. And siguro sa next relationship na meron ka, I hope the guy treats you a lot better than the last guy did. I know it's 13 years of your life and I don't want you to have any regrets sa mga moments that you have spent with this guy because aminin naman natin, before this end game ng relationship ninyo, there were moments naman that you enjoyed each other's company. Kasi kung wala kayong glorified moments, hindi kayo aabot ng 13 years There were happy moments there, Bianca. So I don't want you to have any regrets for the 13 years you have spent with this person. But ganun talaga minsan even if naniwala na tayo na this is the right person for us, life and the higher power is cooking someone better for us. Diba? Cooking a relationship that will make us even more happier than we were with the persons that with the people that we've shared our pasts with. So, ikaw, Bianca, dahil nagawa mo yung graceful exit, palakpakan mo yung sarili mo, give yourself a tap on the back. Now, it's time for you to move on, to heal, knowing that a lot of girls right now, na sabihin na natin na kukomprontahin yung mga two-timers nilang jowa, will be pegging your way of breaking up with a cheater. Dapat may book ka na eh. This is how you break up with a cheater by Bianca. Tapos one scene lang. One scene lang pero kabog.